Hello again, everyone. This is Darren Avey. Today we're looking at AAC Evaluation Genie. This application is used to evaluate students for their ability to use communication systems, communication apps, and a variety of skills used in those apps. As you can see, it's available for $12.99 through the Apple App Store, and it's only available through iPads. Gonna go ahead and take a look at AAC Evaluation Genie. First thing we have to do is add a student. I'm going to call it New Student. Tap OK. With each student, there's settings you can set up, quite a few. I'm going to first choose which subtest we want to look at today. Visual discrimination, which determines basically what size photo or picture a student can identify and among how many other photos. For instance, maybe 16 pictures would be as many as he could go. Noun vocabulary, which means they understand what a noun is. And I'm going to skip and go to category recognition, since that's a big plus when working with a core vocabulary app or system. I'm going to go down to the bottom and tap more options. You can see you've got a lot of scanning options for scanning users. You also have choices in languages. I'm going to choose English, of course. You also have a choice of the object the student will be identifying in different setups. So this is a nice option because if a student has a preferred object, or if you want to test an object that is primarily red or blue, to see if they can distinguish between that object better than others, which is definitely a concern, then we can do that. I'm going to choose a blue bird, plus it's a kind of a Angry Birds looking bird, something familiar to the kids. I'm going to go back, start the recording with our new student, and do a visual discrimination subtest. We can choose to use all or a screener of the items. I'm going to use a screener. You see at the top, just 15 items. And it will name the object the student has to identify.
Find the bird. 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 Find the bird.
Now I'm going to pretend as this gets harder, the student's going to have more difficulty distinguishing between these. And I'm going to repeat the option by hitting speech at the top.
Find the bird. Find the bird. Find the bird. Find the bird.
So the assumption would be that he's hitting the first icon that
Find the bird.
appears to be the bird.
Find the bird.
So
Find the bird.
I would take from this subtest that I'd need to stick with 16 or fewer pictures on an iPad mini of about 1 inch each or bigger. We're going to look at our noun identification now. I'm going to again do a screening group of only 10 items. This one's very simple. It's going to name an item and I have to identify it. I'll miss a few on purpose, and I'll also repeat an icon or two so you can see that feature.
Find the apple. Find the mittens. Find the book. Find the doll. Find the car. Find the car. Find the hat. Find the shoes. Find the cookie. Find the coat. Find the dog.
And we'll go ahead and go straight into category recognition. I'm again only going to do 5 items as a screener just for the sake of argument. but you could do 10 full screener for category recognition, which I probably would normally do. We'll start this one.
Find the one the salad goes with. Find the one the coffee goes with. Find the one the cow goes with. Find the one the pencil goes with. Find the one the fork goes with.
And you can see a few of the things that were done, the vocabulary knowledge, noun vocabulary, category recognition, the percentages on those. And you can email this, print it, and of course you can add another student and do it again later. There's a lot of options here. As you can see, there's a lot of great data that can be obtained through this application. I've used it with a lot of students over the course of time. It's really affordable at only $13 or $12.99. A lot of my colleagues have used it as well. Great information, easy to use, and very functional.